Seven drinks will accelerate your metabolism and help you burn fat. Losing weight may be a difficult process. It requires dedication, both physically and mentally. You will need to exercise regularly and follow a proper diet. Weight gain and obesity are problems that affect a great number of people worldwide. They are related to serious health problems such as heart disease and obesity. So, it is very important to accelerate your metabolism and stop the excess weight gain. For that purpose, we have 7 easy drinks you can prepare at home. They can boost your metabolism and digestion, and aid weight loss. Check them out. Mint tea. You should mix a handful of mint leaves and 7 cups of green tea with few lemon slices. Put the drink in a jar and let it stay overnight. You should drink a glass of this tea every morning, on an empty stomach. After a few weeks, you will start losing weight. Strawberry smoothie. Needed ingredients: 1/2 cup of oatmeal, 1/4 cup flax seeds, 1 cup of strawberries, 1/2 liter of milk, 1 cup of yogurt. Directions: in a blender, mix all the ingredients. Drink this smoothie before your meals. Within few weeks, you will notice amazing results. Spicy tea. Needed ingredients: 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon honey, a glass of warm water, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 a lemon. Directions: mix the ingredients until you get a nice mixture. Drink this tea every morning. It will improve digestion and boost your metabolism. Fruit smoothie. Needed ingredients: 1/2 a glass of water, 1 cup of raspberries, 2 grapefruits, juiced, 2 pineapple slices. Directions: in a blender, mix all the ingredients. Store the smoothie in the fridge for a few hours. Consume this drink every morning and soon you will lose the excess pounds. Chocolate smoothie. Needed ingredients: chocolate powder, 1/2 L of milk, 1/2 cup of oats, 1/4 cup amaranth, honey. Directions: mix the ingredients in a blender. Drink this smoothie every morning, before your breakfast. Apple smoothie. Needed ingredients: 1 green apple, 1 grapefruit, juiced, 1 lemon, juiced, a cup of water, a teaspoon of honey. Directions: you should chop the apple and add in a blender along with the other ingredients. Add honey to taste. Consume this drink in the morning, before your breakfast. Orange and banana smoothie. Needed ingredients: 1 orange and banana each, 1/2 cup of low-fat yogurt, a teaspoon of ginger, a tablespoon coconut oil, 2 tablespoons whey, 2 tablespoons linseed. Directions: in a blender, add all the ingredients and blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. You should drink this smoothie in the morning, on an empty stomach. Within a short period of time, you will notice significant improvement.